Hello, my name is Darshan from GetRidOfStressNow.com, and this is video number 2 in a 5-part video series on how you can get rid of your stress. In part 1, we talked about defining stress for yourself, because the first step in changing any behavior is awareness. Well, in part 2, obviously comes tip number 2, and so here is tip number 2 on how to get rid of stress. Identify your biggest stressors. That is, the things that stress you out the most. Whether it's your parents or your in-laws or your school or your work or your friends or your animals, whatever it is, identify all of them and don't be shy. Put them all down. To the degree that you put them all down is the degree that you're going to be more successful in getting rid of your stress. Now, why is it important to identify your stressors? Well, because once you really identify them, and there may be a few hidden that you don't even know are stressing you, you can do something about them. You can take the appropriate action. In other words, if a romantic relationship is causing you a great deal of stress, well, you may need to end it. You may not, but you may need to make some changes in it. That's the key. Once you identify what those stresses are, you can do something about it. Now, it may take some work, it may be painful, it may be scary at times, but the key is you have to do something about it to get rid of it, no matter if it's scary, no matter if it's painful, no matter what. Because if you don't, your stress will stay around. Thanks again for watching video number 2. And once again, you can go to www.GetRidOfStressNow.com for a free report called Stress No More, How to End the Debilitating Effects of Stress Once and for All. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a beautiful rest of your day.